Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, May 23rd, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P and talk a little bit about what I'm paying attention to with this market right now. So what we're looking at is a weekly price chart here of the ES futures. And the main thing you want to watch with this is, and the main thing that kind of scares me a little bit here, is this bearish divergence we have. So a bearish divergence occurs when we go to higher prices, but our momentum, on an NQ momentum down here, is significantly weaker. So in this case, we hit higher highs, and we have much weaker indicator line and histograms. So that is not a good sign there. It's a lot of times this will precede a sell-off. Now the other big thing that is happening here is we break the highs, and every time we break the highs or the previous highs, we get hammered back down. And get hammered back down over and over and over again. So there's an unwillingness or lack of buyers up there. Now, if you go back and you look, here's other times that we had bearish divergences. So we had a bearish divergence on a weekly basis here, and we got the big sell-off. We had a bearish divergence back here. We got a pull back to the pivot low. We had a bearish divergence right before COVID as well, and we dropped. And you can see just weakening momentum, weakening momentum, weakening momentum, and once again, weakening momentum here. So be careful. My bias for the time being is we're going to wait and see what the end of the week looks like. How do we end up finishing the week out? And then if we stay down, if we close down here or lower for this week, below 5,300 really, that's setting us up for a start of a down move in the next couple of weeks as soon as we can break previous weekly low coming off the back of this weekly bearish divergence. So that's what I'm paying attention to. If we do start selling off this divergence, we're going to look for a pullback down into like the 5,100 area. So around these lows here where we kind of based previously here and where our previous all-time highs were. So we'll keep an eye on it, see what kind of reaction we get. But for now, I'm leaning cautiously bearish. We'll see if we get confirmation by the end of the week, and then I'll follow through next week. But keep an eye on it. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.